Today I'm checking out this jack set that I was sent so I could do this review. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. So right out of the box, you have this nice case. I love it when tools come in a case so that way they're easy to store. They're not falling all over the place. This would be something I would just throw in the trunk of my vehicle. On this side of the case, you have this caution triangle here. It's got some Velcro, so I'm assuming inside the package there's going to be some stuff that you could put on that. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. And this is what's inside the case. This thing is a just full-featured jack, impact wrench. You know, you've got an emergency window breaker, seatbelt cutter. It comes with gloves, so you don't get your hands too dirty. Of course, the manual. It comes with this set of alligator clips and the socket on the end. So if your, let's say, cigarette lighter or accessory port in your car doesn't put out enough power, maybe it's only 5 amps and it's not 10 or 15 amps, and you need more power, well, you can just clamp this to your battery and it provides you a 12-volt accessory port here that you can use with these tools. Then of course you have the jack, which also has an air inflator, air compressor, whatever you want to call it, in it. It's got a light in the front, power button. Here's your plug to plug it in. It's got a secret compartment here. Let's see what's in the secret compartment. There you go. You can put, looks like the power plug connected to that. A little bit of storage you could probably put in there. It's got a nice metal base right here, some rubber feet. Then you have an impact wrench here to go ahead and remove those lug nuts off the car. This thing's supposed to have over 300 foot-pounds of power to break loose those lug nuts and put them back on. That is usually more than you need for, you know, your regular vehicle tires, vehicle wheels. Of course, it has the plug. This is the plug here that you would use for the inflator and the jack, also for the impact wrench. Also, it comes with these sockets. This is a 17 millimeter and a 19 millimeter. It's based upon which side you use because it slides over the shaft of this impact wrench. And this one has 21 millimeter and 23 millimeter. So pretty much all the lug nuts are covered right here. And again, it's all one kit. You just fold this thing up, put it in the trunk. As long as you have a battery that has some power to it, you can do everything that you need to do here. It's a great emergency kit. Probably would make an excellent gift for anybody that has a car, the youngsters in your life, your kids, cousins, nephews, anybody. This would make a great gift for them to know that they have this when they need it. So yeah, a lot of great stuff in this kit. Perfect thing for your trunk. If you need to change a tire, you got the jack, you got the impact wrench. You need to air up your tire, you got the air inflator here. You have a reason you need to bust out a window or cut a seat belt or anything like that. You have a safety device there. Gloves so you don't get your hands dirty. I mean, it's just got everything. Even the triangle on the case, so you can sit on the side, you know, when you're doing work on your car, if you can't get it out of the road. Just something to let people know that you're in distress and that you're working on your vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and get a 12-volt battery on those alligator clips there so we can plug it in and turn these things on. So this is what I mean by putting those alligator clips on a car. If you had the 12-volt car battery there and you needed a place to plug it, just do your positive and negative and it gives you an accessory port. You plug in your 12-volt plug here into your accessory port and now that's powered. It's got a little LED light there to let you know that it is getting power. I got the plug now in the impact wrench and you've even got a little LED so you can see what you're doing. There's your loosen. And here's your tighten. And you would hear it like hammering when you're trying to loosen a lug nut or put a lug nut on, but that's it, and that's nice. Then we have the jack and the inflator here. And what I noticed on this one is on one side, it has the power plug. You can just put it through that hole and then lock that position. But on the other side is where the air hose is. And inside this, you not only have the air hose, you have an Allen key here. That's if you need to operate some things on this, I think, manually. You've got a ball inflator adapter here. 2 fuses, and then 2 float type adapters up here. So that way you can air up floats and stuff. So it's got extra stuff in it. It's not just for emergencies, it's for practical everyday use too. So we can go ahead and shut that. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Got an LED light here that faces up so you can see where the jack's going, and then it does have the adjustable screw-in end on this so you can take the slack out of it when you're wanting to use it. As you can see there, you got that LED flashlight going on in the front. You've got a pressure gauge here to let you know what pressure your tire's at as it's airing it up. You've got all of these switches here. You can turn this, that's to the air compressor. You can turn that flashlight on and off if you want here. You can push this down to where the jack is, and that operates this switch, so you can go up. As you can see, it's going up. And then you can go down. As you can see, this is dropping down. Very cool. I mean, it just has everything that you would need. This is definitely a great gift for a new driver. They got their new car, they got their first car. Great gift for them. I really like it. I definitely think you will too, and I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.